Today's class I am going to discuss about full adder. So this topic comes under combinational cycle. So previous video we discussed the half adder and implementation diagram. If you need it, kindly refer the video. Now we move on the session. So in this full adder cycle, it support to add three variables. So in half adder, it support only two variables, but in full adder cycle, it support to add three variables. For example, a plus b plus c in. So c in represent carry in. So first I draw the block diagram. It's a simple block diagram for full adder cycle. It has a three inputs that namely called as A, B, C in. I produce two outputs, sum and carry out. So C out represent carry out. So it's a simple block diagram. Now I write the truth table for this full adder. It has a three input variables A, B, C in. Output variables are sum and C out. So these three variables making 8 combinations of input 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, double 1, 0, triple 1. This is the input combinations. So this input combination is applied to full adder cycle. So after processing, it produces the output sum and carry. So 0 plus 0 plus 0, sum 0, carry 0. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, sum 1, carry 0. 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, sum 1, carry 0. 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, sum 0, carry 1. So 1 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 1. Sorry, 1 plus 0, 1. So sum 1, carry 0. So here sum 0, carry 1, sum 0, carry 1, sum 1, carry 1. So triple 1 means 1 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 1, 11. So sum 1, carry 1. So it's a truth table for full adder cycle. So using the truth table, now we find the Boolean expression using K-map. So K-map for sum. Here 8 combinations of input is applied here. So I need totally 8 cells. So it's a 3 variable. I need 3 variable K-map, totally 8 cells. A, B, C, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Then cell number 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6. So let me consider sum. So first cell place 1. Then second cell place 1. Fourth cell place 1. Then seventh cell place 1. So after fixing the sum term inside the K-map, you just verify the grouping possibilities. You check the grouping possibility. So it's an individual group. Now I write the Boolean expression for sum. So sum equal to, first I will take this term A bar B C n. So A bar B bar C n plus then this term A bar B C n bar plus here A B bar C n bar plus A B C n. So it's a Boolean expression for sum. Then come to carry. So K-map for carry. So it's a 3 variable KMF structure. So it's an input variable 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0, cell number 0 1 3 2 4 5 7 6. So now fix the carry out value into KMap. So cell number 3 1, cell number 5 6 7. So cell number 5 6 7. So now check the grouping possibility. So 3 and 7 placed adjacent 1, so it take one pair. 7 and 6 placed adjacent 1, so it's take one pair, and 5 and 7 take one pair. Now write the Boolean expression for carry. So let me consider this pair first. So A, here common term is C in. So A C in plus A, so here common term B. So A dot B plus, so here B C in. So it's a Boolean expression for carry. So it's a Boolean expression for sum. So after finding the Boolean expression, now I am going to draw the logical diagram for sum and carry. So logical diagram for sum. So here we have a 4 product terms. We have a 4 product terms. So I need 4 AND gate. I need 4 AND gate. Input of the first AND gate is A bar, B bar, C in. So second AND gate input A bar, B, C in bar. Third AND gate input A, B bar, C in bar. Fourth AND gate input A, B, C in. Just you add all the 4 output of AND gate is given to one OR gate. We will get the result from this OR gate output. So it's a logical diagram for sum. Now I draw the logical diagram for carry. So in this carry expression we have a 3 product term. So I just draw 3 AND gate. So first AND gate input A C in, second AND gate input A B, third AND gate input B C in. Using one OR gate, sum of all the 3 output of this AND gate. So this 3 output of AND gate is given to input of OR gate. So carry is get from output of the OR gate. So this is the simple way to design a full data cycle. I hope you understand the concept very well. If you are watching first time in my video, kindly subscribe and support us to make a lot of videos. Thanks for watching my channel. Thank you.